came.
Apparently, acting in a school play is an integral part of every young person's education.
I wish I had chosen death rather than follow him. But I did not, and now I pine away in sorrow.
Oh. Next up will be Stella.
Oh, yay! Huh? I wish I had chosen dead. Sorry, death, but I did not, and now I pine away in sorrow. Ow.
Stella! What happened in there?
I'm just the worst actor in the world. I hate it. It totally freaks me out.
But you're so good at public speaking. We thought you'd rock at this too.
It's just different. Here you have to pretend to be something you're not, and I just can't do it. I don't know why.
Oh, Stella. At least it's over. You tried. That's all that counts. And now it's over.